If the treadmill is equipped with a reverse belt rotation mode, you will see the according button. To change the belt's running direction, just click it and go to reverse. In addition, you will see some warnings, some helpful indications and notifications. For example, the pinch points, they will change. And also the belt alignment needs to be observed. If needed, the belt needs to be adjusted according to the instruction. Change to reverse. And the treadmill will be in reverse from now. Indicating also the minus for the reverse speed.